I'll do a deal with you.
No.
I'll teach you how to take a really good selfie and we'll just erase the rest. My name's Molly, I'm 27 years old and I'm a curve model.
My name's Will, I'm 30. By day I'm a mortgage broker and by night I'm a stand-up comedian.
We met on an app. Literally, Will's third message to me was asking me out. Did you have a plan?
I brought a prop with me and she was like, what's that? I was like, wow, it's got all my kickboxing gear in it.
Will and I are going to be swapping routines using the new Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch. More from like a kind of mainly a fitness angle, but also just using our smartwatches to switch things like our morning routines and our nighttime routines.
My morning routine would be quick rub down, blow dry myself, and then that's it.
Blow dry yourself? Yeah, he does.
With a hairdryer?
But it's like a full body blow dry.
Yeah.
I want to see if I can keep up. So should be interesting. I'll put my all into it though. I'll try and make you proud.
Glad to hear it.
So it's the morning time and obviously I'm doing Will's routine. So I think I'm going to spend about 15-20 minutes maybe trying to write some jokes. Don't know how successful I'm going to be.
This morning I'm doing Molly's morning wake up routine, which is trying on and putting on various different products.
Set my timer for 15 minutes. 15 minutes starting now.
Okay, so before I start, I've got to put on this bunny ears, essential enzyme peel, so I need to keep this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and it's already starting to burn after 30 seconds.
I'm actually so stuck, I didn't realise how hard this was.
Stings the eyes.
Alexa, tell me a joke. So she's thinking.
Have you got any skincare tips?
Oh, I've got one. Okay.
And you know what? I feel like I'm ready to hit the day.
Oh, time's up. Let's do this. So I've just got to the boxing gym, boxing ring, whatever he calls it, and I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Feeling a little bit nervous.
So here we are in Victoria Park. Probably the perfect spot. I'm on the bridge, by the stream, the ducks are here. Perfect place in my mind to do yoga.
So I currently got 0 cardio and 0 peak, obviously. So I haven't done anything today yet.
11-minute fat burn, okay.
Yeah, 11-minute fat burn will just be the walk here. So at the end of the workout, like I'll probably just keep on checking and seeing if we're like hitting that or close to hitting that.
My stats for fitness are a lot more around heart rate and cardio. Molly's is a lot more about mindfulness and how long you can do stretches. So I want to feel calm and zen after my workout today.
So I'm just going to set my exercise right now to kickboxing.
Off we go.
Okay.
I want you to, like you say, the floor's bouncy, so I want you to...
Be a bit lighter.
Yeah. Go! Come on, quicker, 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 quicker. Good. Quicker, 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 quicker. Come on, relax, relax the shoulders. Push, push.
Out of
Bucket,
water.
out the bucket, push.
Push. I'm in fat burning mode.
Have a quick drink and then we'll go in the room. Good, again.
Good.
Eight, 9, 18. Get the elbows out the pits. You're not a chicken, are you? 7. I've got to stop.
Yeah, you've got
This
to
is
stop.
funny.
186. Do you ever get up to 200? Is that bad?
The highest I've done is about 190 something.
I'm only 4 off that, so same sort of level now, aren't we?
Yeah, about the same.
My heart rate has gone up to the fat burn. It's at 118. It's dropping.
Oh, nice work. So we did 102 minutes, 146 was my average, and 7 minutes peak. I'm so proud of myself. Can we compare the sleep from like 2 days ago? So at the weekend, for example.
It is 9:20 here. I'm trying to read as it's one of Molly's nighttime rituals. She likes to get into bed early.
What was your sleep like? I got a good sleep. I remember that night. So Saturday 28th.
Oh no, wasn't good for me.
Well, let's compare.
Have a look.
Wait, were you out that night? Here we are, Will's nighttime routine. It's 9:15, I've just checked, and I'm tired. And I'm just having to sit on the sofa in front of the telly and try and fall asleep. And I'm exhausted. What's your sleep score?
Sleep score?
I got 7 hours and 48 minutes, and my sleep score was 85.
Saturday and Sunday was 50. Poor.
Well, you got through it. You completed the challenge. In the lead up to the challenge, we were constantly looking over each other's shoulder, checking each other's watches anyway.
Yeah.
So I think it will continue. We're competitive in different ways, like your step count might be so much higher than mine at the moment, but our calories are fairly similar. I thought what I had to do was more challenging than Will's, and I thought, well, that's really unfair. But then actually the point of that is that Will tends to lead a more challenging day, which I think I didn't really have an appreciation for before. Being in the ring today, like, it was so hard.
The skincare routine I would generally find more of a challenge to do than the yoga. Cleansing, exfoliating, scrubbing. I don't think I'll be doing it. But maybe I'll use one product. Right, so this has been...
Fun.
I was going to say Will and Molly, but this... This has been Molly and Will and Molly, doing our challenge for Fitbit. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Woo! Thanks.